Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session class. Today I discuss formatting in Excel. Today I discuss formatting in Excel, chapter number 5, class 7. My dear student, previous video, every content, every notes I send it. So I am not any such type of sending again and again. Exam time, so many student every time calling, sir, send to the note, send to the note, send to the question. No, my dear student. I one time send in your group. You not write down your mistake. So this is the first topic. What formatting in Excel, class 5, chapter number 5, class 7. First of all, today I only for discussion in the introduction part. What is the Excel? The Excel worksheet. Every such type of work in Excel is related to the worksheet. Excel worksheet data value. Suppose this is the Excel. This is the Excel. I am not write down in the particular sentence. So I only for discussion in diagram basis and discussion basis, understanding to the every such type of the criteria. This is the Excel worksheet. Suppose this is the Excel worksheet. This is the Excel worksheet. So Excel worksheet, you enter to the data value which are entered in the cell. Suppose this is the cell, this is the cell, and I enter to the any such type of the data that are organized in form of row and column. Exactly. This is the I put the data in this particular cell. So this cell is interconnected to the row and columns. So Microsoft Excel in worksheet data value which are entered in the cell organized in the form of row and column. Suppose I write down to the 15. I write down to the 15. So 15 is only organized for the row and the column. This is the Excel. Mainly two type of data value are entered. Excel data value enter first text and the second number. Not to the data value enter only for the number, but the data value means any such type of data enter in the worksheet. So this is the data. This is the Excel. This is the Excel. Suppose I put to the any such type of name, Ram, Syam. This is the text. This is the number. Any such type of number or text entered in the data sheet is mainly connected to the row and columns. The MS Excel is entered to the data in are related to the number and the text. This is to the Excel uses some default character formatting and alignment to show this value in the cell. Any such type of formatting, any such type of alignment. Suppose I align to the any such type of the two cell. So the all such type of the alignment in the cell or all such type of formatting in the cell, these cell are these value are related to the cell, not related to the row and to the any such type of row and column. This is the cell. I again repeat in the particular sentence कि Excel uses some defaults character. Excel uses some default character using formatting and the alignment to show the value in the cell. Moreover, the number value are represented below generating general formatting which make it default to understand what does the simple number with the represent in. First key you enter to the any such type of number or any such type of text in enter in the cell. My dear student, many such type of problem in this related in this chapter. कि what first problem what phase while adding data in the worksheet in the suppose this is the cell I write down Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy, but my cell value is the fifth limited na. But your text, your sentence is a very big length. So how to adjust in this particular sentence in this particular cell? This is the matter. This is the face of the problems in the Excel. So, my dear student, the length of the data value which many of time exceed the cell, making the sum part of the visual in the cell. Each provide various formatting feature. To handle such type of problem of many more. So this is the main problem कि how to adjust to the cell, how to adjust to the sentence in particular cell. This is the main propaganda in this in this Excel sheet. So how to formatting the cell? So my dear student, you adjust the first of all to the column width. You adjust first adjusting column width. Adjusting column width. I am not write down. I am only show to the diagram. Why formatting in the Excel? So only for formatting in the Excel, I put to the any such type of number, I put the any such type of text in one cell. And suppose my data value length is the very big. So how to adjust in the particular value in the particular cell? This is the Excel. So adjusting column width. This is my first topic. Sometimes suppose I enter to the any such type of data. Suppose I enter to the any such type of data, but this is a small data, but sometime I enter to the very large data. So the defaulting width in a cell only the part of the value is displayed in the cell. The default column in width of the Excel 8 point. The default of the Excel 843 which allow maximum 8 character. 8 character only allowed in the cell. Only for the 8 character. How many character allowed in the cell? So only for 8 character allowed in this cell. Maximum allowed. And on the standard font setting in the adjust to the, and suppose my length is the 10 character. So how to adjust? So you change to the column width manually. How to? One time mouse in the click and then to the drag to the in the particular area. The first adjustment, or bring to the mouse pointer and the right edge. I again repeat how to adjust in the this mouse pointer. Go to this area and the right click and then the drag to this area. The automatically cell is the adjust. The first. the again I repeat it, bring the mouse pointer to the right edge in the column header area. The pointer the pointer is automatically turn off shape. The second, drag it bar left or right or adjust column with are needed. Only one for adjustment. No any such type of, only for the mouse pointer and the mouse pointer, you drag this area and just the mouse pointer in this area, the mouse pointer is the automatically plus and this and the right click, this is the drag to this area and this column is automatically adjusted. So this is the formatting in the Excel. So this is the introduction part. So I am not any such type of detailed discussion in this chapter. So thank you so much.